Here we go, this is the finished look. It's all been painted. It's had several coats of blue with a lacquer over the top, all primed as well beforehand, all cleaned. You can see the new post there. Coming around to the front, it's all nicely clean. You can see the Lucas logo or stamp on the casing there. And this is all new, and the drive pinion's all new. Springs back lovely. So there we have it. I'm not a mechanic, this was do it yourself. It's fairly easy to do, so don't be afraid to tackle this job on your own. Thank you for looking. There'll be more videos on my engine rebuild, all done by myself, so keep an eye out for the updates of my engine and gearbox for my Mini. Thank you for watching again. Cheers.